All right, let's solve these equations. My first step, 4d minus 6, is distribute this 2, and a negative times a negative is a positive. Negative times a positive is going to be a negative. Ooh, check it out. My equations exactly match. When I group my variables first, notice my variables both cancel out. When I get a situation where both variables cancel out and I have a true sentence, that means that all real numbers are solutions. I have infinite answers. We call that an identity. All right, find the x and y intercepts. These are great ones. This is where we do our table where I have 0 for x and 0 for y. All right, when I put a 0 for x, see how that will cancel that out? So 8 times what number is negative 40? That's going to be negative 5. When I put in 0 for y, that one's going to cancel out. So 5 times 8 is 40, so negative 5 times positive 8 is going to be 40. So those intercepts are 8 goes in, 0 comes out, 0 goes in, negative 5 comes out. If you want to see the real math, my x-intercept is when y is equal to 0. 5 times x plus 8 times 0 is equal to 40. Negative 5x is equal to 40. X is equal to negative 8. My y-intercept is when x is equal to 0. Negative 5 times 0 plus 8y is equal to 40. Oops, negative. And that makes that positive. And this is negative. So that's 0. 8y is equal to negative 40. Y is equal to negative 5. All right. State the domain and range of the graph. My domain is going to be all of these x's. So my domain is going to be all the values of x such that x is greater than or equal to 3. My range, all of these y values are possible. Every xy ordered pair that sits on here can have any y. So all my values of y such that y is an element of the real number system. All right, write the equation in slope-intercept form and then graph. Slope-intercept form, I need to solve for y. 3y is equal to 2x plus 6. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. So my y is equal to 2/3 x plus 2. Here's positive 2. Rise 2, run 3. A rise of 2 and a run of 3 gives me a positive line with a slope of 2/3 and a y-intercept of positive 2. Circle every relation in which y is not a function. Here I have repeats of x, so this is not a function. I have no repeats in x, so this one is a function. Let's see, I have a dot here, 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 and here. That looks good, so it is a function. Fails the vertical line test, not a function. Every single one of these gives me an output of 3. That's okay. That is a function. All right, last page. Use Desmos for these problems. So you're going to go on to Desmos.com. Remember, we bookmarked it. You're going to hit the plus sign and enter in your data. And then you're going to ask for y1 tilde m x1 plus b. And you're going to go ahead and make sure that you find what your slope is equal to and what your y-intercept is equal to, and that'll help you figure these out. All right, good luck, algebras.